Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this question. I'm sure there's a way, probably easier search your videos can't find. Is there a way to count the letters in the CorelDraw job? There is, but it would take you forever you could count the word unless it was thousands of words. Well, even then, you could go and break them apart, but that just breaks apart that line. And then you grab that line and you break apart that line. And then you take this word and you break apart that line. So now you have three objects. Well, I thought somebody's probably done a video on this before. So I searched under YouTube and YouTube didn't have anything come up. But if I'm going to right click and copy this, I went to a website called tool.word/counter.com. Paste in your text, count now. This has 273 characters, 74 words, 349 characters counting the spaces. Pretty cool. So I will leave a link to this at the bottom of the page, and it's that quick. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Unless somebody else chimes in another way you can do it in CorelDraw. I tried converting to curves, and it just doesn't work. Anyway, I hope that little bit of information helped, and thank you for watching.